We are EduSoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorial for beginners in 3ds Max software.
Hi friends, in this session we will discuss about Snap toggle in 3ds Max. On the main toolbar, click Snap toggle to turn on Snap toggle or using command S, and then right click the button to open the Grid and Snap Settings dialog box. The default snap setting is grid points only. From this dialog box, you can turn on each snaps as per your requirements. There are three types of snaps available in 3ds Max: 2D snaps, 2.5D snap, and 3D snap. In 2D snap tool, we can only snap the object with reference to the construction plane we are drawing. If the object is between the construction plane, we use 2.5D snap to select the face or vertex of the object to draw. "3D snap" is the default tool. The cursor snaps directly to any geometry in 3D space. 3D snapping lets you create and move geometry in all dimensions, ignoring the construction plane. Thank you for watching this video.